Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Fluctus Channel. The F-15 Eagle, originally developed by McDonnell Douglas and now maintained by Boeing, has been a cornerstone of U.S. air superiority since its introduction in the 1970s. This high-performance, twin-engine jet fighter is renowned for its unmatched air-to-air capabilities, achieved through a powerful combination of high thrust-to-weight ratio and low-wing loading. These attributes grant the F-15 exceptional speed, agility, and maneuverability, allowing it to dominate in aerial combat. Recognizing its effectiveness, Japan entered into a licensing agreement with the United States to produce a domestic version, the F-15J, manufactured by Mitsubishi Heavy Industries. While structurally similar to the original F-15C, the F-15J includes modifications tailored to Japan's strategic and operational needs. It retains the hallmark performance features of the original Eagle speed, range, and maneuverability while incorporating upgraded avionics and radar systems to meet regional defense requirements. Notably, enhancements such as the enhanced electronic warfare capability have been integrated to improve survivability against modern threats. These upgrades enable the F-15J to operate effectively in Japan's complex and contested airspace, reinforcing its role as a critical component of the Japan Air Self-Defense Force's air superiority strategy. Building on the strategic enhancements of the F-15J, it's essential to examine the aircraft's engine performance and maintenance regimen critical elements in ensuring sustained airworthiness and operational effectiveness. The F-15J is powered by two Pratt & Whitney F100 engines, which undergo scheduled maintenance at 100, 200, 400, and 600 flight-hour intervals. The inspections at the 200 and 400-hour marks are more extensive, involving partial disassembly for detailed examination. While the 600-hour check is the most comprehensive, verifying that all components meet stringent safety and performance standards. In some cases, maintenance includes full engine removal to inspect for wear, corrosion, or potential damage that could compromise performance or safety. Although the typical engine lifespan ranges between 8,000 and 9,000 hours, this can vary depending on usage conditions and findings during routine inspections. Engine replacement is a highly meticulous process requiring precise alignment and integration with the aircraft systems to ensure flawless operation post-installation. This rigorous maintenance cycle allows the F-15J to maintain high mission readiness, maximum reliability, and minimal downtime, factors that directly contribute to its enduring role in air superiority missions. Moving to the aircraft's physical specifications, the F-15J is a single-seat, twin-engine air superiority fighter. It measures 63 feet 9 inches in length, with a wingspan of 42 feet 10 inches and a height of 18 feet 6 inches. The wing area totals 608 square feet, contributing to its excellent lift characteristics. The aircraft has an empty weight of 27,999 pounds, a gross weight of 44,533 pounds, and a maximum takeoff weight of 68,002 pounds. With a fuel capacity of 13,448 pounds internally, the F-15J boasts a long operational range suitable for extended missions. In terms of performance, the F-15J can achieve a maximum speed of 1,650 miles per hour at high altitude and 900 miles per hour at low altitude. Its service ceiling is an impressive 66,000 feet, and it can climb at a rate of 50,000 feet per minute. Armament includes a 20mm M61 Vulcan cannon, along with 10 external hardpoints capable of carrying a diverse weapons load. This includes short and medium-range air-to-air missiles, such as the Mitsubishi AM-3, AM-4, AM-5, AM-9 Sidewinder, and AIM-7 Sparrow. Additionally, the F-15J can carry various air-to-ground munitions, including general-purpose and cluster bombs, demonstrating its versatility across multiple combat roles. Through a balance of cutting-edge maintenance practices and robust performance capabilities, the F-15J continues to uphold its legacy as a dominant force in Japan's air defense strategy. Another important collaboration with the Japanese Self-Defense Force was the sale and operation of the V22 Osprey tilt-rotor aircraft. The Bell-Boeing V22 Osprey is definitively a very singular aircraft. It was conceived as a multi-mission military transport aircraft with an exceptional capability, a unique tilt-rotor. This innovative feature allowed the combination of vertical takeoff and landing like a helicopter. With the ability to fly high and fast as a fixed-wing turboprop aircraft. The V-22 originates in the JVX program proposed by the United States Department of Defense in 1981. Japan is currently the only foreign operator of the V-22. Back in 2012, the government of Japan requested initial information to evaluate the possibility of operating a fleet of V-22 Osprey aircraft by the Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces. After a period of negotiation, in 2015, the U.S. government approved the operation, and deliveries of brand new MV-22Bs to Japan started in 2020. Japanese and American armed forces frequently perform joint military training and exercises under the umbrella of existing cooperation agreements. An example of this is Forest Light, a semi-annual exercise where the U.S. Marine Corps team, together with the Japan Ground Self-Defense Forces, strengthens cooperation and bilateral operation, focusing on offensive and defensive air mobile field training. During this training, MV-22-6 is used to exercise transportation of equipped troops, deliver cargo, and perform fast rope insertion of troops. The V-22s have demonstrated how extremely versatile and agile assets they can also perform a secondary mission, like community relief in case of natural disasters. During the latest earthquakes and tsunamis that affected Japan, the V-22 fleet outperformed other aircraft by its ability to land and take off vertically and deliver cargo on unprepared terrains, which became an essential and highly demanded capability during those recovery efforts. The V-22 is designed to transport a maximum internal payload of 20,000 pounds. The fuselage's cargo cabin is 20.8 feet long and 5.7 feet wide, and both the cabin floor and the access ramp are prepared to load cargo in standard pallets, supported by cargo nets and cargo strap bands. The V22 Osprey is equipped with an extremely complex mechanism to unfold itself from the reduced size storage configuration to the operational configuration. Along an astonishing sequence, first, the V22 rotates its wing 90 degrees with both nacelles in the horizontal position. The nacelles rotate 90 degrees from horizontal to vertical position, setting the Osprey ready for takeoff as a helicopter. After that, the blades of the giant propellers unfold until reaching a fully extended position, delivering a rotor diameter of 40 feet each. Despite its fantastic complexity, it takes the V22 only a few minutes to transform itself from storage to operational configuration. The V22 size are capable of transporting 24 fully equipped troops to a combat mission. For this purpose, the cabin is equipped with 24 crash-worthy troop seats, usually folded onto both sides of the cabin. The troops get on board and descend by using the rear ramp for easier and faster operations. And this procedure is also used by civilian passengers, even in VIP configurations. In response to evolving regional threats and a shifting geopolitical landscape, Japan is steadily increasing its investment in defense capabilities. Recognizing the need to adapt to modern security challenges, all branches of the Japan's self-defense forces have initiated comprehensive plans to replace aging equipment and integrate advanced technologies. These efforts are aimed at strengthening operational readiness, improving force projection, and ensuring the JSDF can effectively fulfill its national defense and strategic deterrence missions. A prime example of Japan's growing investment in modern defense capabilities is the Kawasaki P-1 maritime patrol aircraft. Developed through a domestic program launched in 2001, the P-1 was designed to replace the aging fleet of P-3C Orion aircraft operated by the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force JMSDF. After evaluating available foreign alternatives, the Japanese government made a strategic decision to pursue an indigenously developed platform tailored specifically to meet the nation's maritime patrol and surveillance requirements. This decision marked a significant milestone for Japan's aerospace industry representing the first major domestic aeronautical design project in over 3 decades. Following an intensive period of accelerated design, testing, and validation, the P1 officially entered service with the JM SDF in 2013. Since then, over 30 aircraft have been delivered. The P1 is a high-performance, low-wing aircraft powered by 4 turbofan engines, offering an impressive operational range of 4,300 nautical miles, a maximum speed of 538 knots, and a service ceiling of 44,360 feet. To fulfill its maritime patrol mission, the P1 is equipped with a suite of advanced sensors, including an AESA radar, magnetic anomaly detector MAD, and electro-optical infrared systems, enabling it to detect, identify, and track surface and subsurface threats. However, the P1's role extends far beyond reconnaissance. Armed with 8 underwing hardpoints and a spacious internal bomb bay, it can carry a variety of ordnance, including torpedoes, air-to-surface missiles, air-to-air missiles, and other precision-guided munitions. This multi-mission capability makes the P1 not only a vital tool for surveillance and deterrence, but also a credible platform for direct engagement in anti-submarine and maritime strike operations. As Japan continues to navigate an increasingly complex security environment, its investment in cutting-edge defense platforms like the F-15J, V22 Osprey, and Kawasaki P1 reflects a broader commitment to self-reliant innovation and strategic modernization. These aircraft represent not only technological advancements, but also the strengthening of operational capabilities across all branches of the Japan Self-Defense Forces. Whether maintaining air superiority, conducting rapid troop transport, or patrolling vast maritime territories, these systems underscore Japan's readiness to respond to a wide range of threats. Backed by close cooperation with allies and a growing domestic aerospace industry, Japan's modern defense strategy is built on agility, resilience, and forward-looking design, ensuring national security and regional stability in the years to come. That's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of our new content. See you next time.